Hello, my half-day people. So I'm just doing a quick little video to talk about where you should expect to see your daily goals. So you're going to log into the course, go to the waffle, and select the course. If you are out of board, you have to find something that says something like find courses and other boards, and then select the course. Once you get in the course, you are going to see something that looks like this. But for you, it's going to say half day only daily goals, and then the date. So we are working on Tuesday, November the 24th. I'm just going to change my view so you actually see the student view. Alright, so you log into the course and it looks something like this. So few disclaimers. I'm posting daily goals under the announcements. So that's the minute you sign into the course. It's going to look something like a Google Classroom or Edmodo or any other classroom platform where every day you'll see something posted. So when you just scroll down and you'll see all of the postings there. So I have a first post, and then Friday and Monday post, and these don't apply to you, so you will not see them. And you should see a half-day post. You should see only the half-day post. Please let me know if you see anything else, and we'll try to get that fixed. You can also check your daily goals in the calendar. So up here, there's nothing there right now, but you should have half-day goals on what you should complete each day. With deadlines attached as well. If you are seeing anything that doesn't apply to half day, again, please let me know. Okay, so if we go in and see the announcement for the day, and it says, this will all be gone. It says, today you should complete Getting to Know You, Refresh Task 1 and Refresh Task 2, and your deadline is... yours will be different. So let's go in and have a look at that. So you can click on the link straight in the announcements, or you can go up to My Class and Content. So by now you should have gone through all the course information and the links that tells you how you're going to be assessed and what we're going to be working on, any other specific pieces of information. You can also do the tips for success, meet the teacher. We aren't really going to run a class lounge or glossary. I'm going to do that through the discussion posts. So you're going to go into Getting to Know You, and you should have done the welcome letter already and the 2 truths and a lie. There's also a little discussion down here if you have any questions about this spiral at all. You can click in here, post your question. If you found a good resource, post in there as well. And then if you go in and you know the answer to a question, please feel free to respond to someone and help them out. Otherwise, I'll go in and help. Then you're going to go into the metacognition, or you should have watched the metacognition already and completed the Young and You assignment. So today your half-day goal is to finish the Refresh Task 1 product. So you're going to go into here, find your name under the topic, and that's what you're going to complete your product on. So you can do something like a slideshow or a video or an anchor chart, anything that you're comfortable with. You want to make sure that you include some of these details, and if you're having any trouble getting started, fall back on that metacognition work. So what can you do? You can search the internet, ask the teacher, use some course examples, try some different strategies. There's lots there for you. With your product, you're also going to post 5 practice problems, but please do not post the solutions to the problems. So that's part of another task, so we want to make sure that you don't do that here. And where you post is down here. And I have an example if you are looking for an example to help you out. You're also going to complete Refresh Task 2, where you're going to hand in annotated solutions to your 5 practice problems. And there's a little video on how to do annotated solutions, and then also a little video on the actual tool that I use to complete it. So there's lots of info there to help you. And just a reminder that that task itself is due for you on Wednesday, November the 25th at midnight. So just make sure your product with your 5 practice problems are posted in the discussion, and that your annotated solutions are handed in to me. If you have any other questions, reach out. I'm here.